Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Teach Unique Minds. In this video, I am going to talk about the physical movement of children in the early years, its benefits, and how it affects the brain growth of the child. Children are born ready to learn. The learning of the children begins in the womb and continues throughout life. Children learn from their surroundings and experiences. In order to learn from their surroundings and explore the world around them, children need to be moving, engaged in physical activities and active play. Engagement of children in physical activities and active play is an important part of a child's early development. Active playing helps children develop their language and communication skills, their social skills, motor skills, and help them with problem solving. Being physically active supports development of bones in children, strengthens their joints and promotes good posture, improves balance, coordination and flexibility, boosts their confidence and self-esteem, supports healthy heart function and promotes lifelong participation. Movement and play in the early years help the child's brain to grow and form new connections. From birth to age 5, a child's brain develops more than at any other time in life. This brain development in the early years provides a basis for future learning. At the time of birth, a newborn baby has around 100 billion brain cells or neurons, almost all the brain cells that the child will ever have for the rest of the life. These brain cells or neurons are ready for stimulation, which results in creating neural networks of connections or synapses throughout the brain. 75% of brain development occurs after birth, mainly in the first 3 years, and 90% of brain development completes at the age of 5. For brain development, early childhood years are crucial for making connections between the brain cells called synapses. Children develop these brain connections through their everyday experiences, such as positive interactions with others, like parents, teachers, and friends, free movement, active play, and sensory experiences to explore the world, like engaging children in all such kind of activities in which they can use their all senses. When children undergo new experiences, new neural connections or synapses are formed. Repeated use of those experiences strengthens the connections or synapses. Synapse strength contributes to the efficiency of the neural network in the brain that supports learning, memory, and cognitive abilities. Increased sitting, less sensory experiences, and movement results in weaker neural connections. Rare use of synapses is more likely to be eliminated in the pruning process of the brain, so it becomes difficult for children to learn those skills later in life which they have missed in childhood. Increased sitting, less sensory experiences, and movement also increases fatigue and lack of concentration in children. So it is important for parents and teachers to play their role and provide a variety of physical movement, active play, and sensory experiences throughout the early years so that not only the brain but the whole body serves as an instrument of learning for the child. If you would like to add something related to movement and brain growth in the early years, then please do write it in the comment box. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button, share with others and subscribe to my channel. Jazakumullahu khair.